Hey guys, I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'm gonna run you through the process on how to change TikTok region or location on your phone. So if this sounds useful to you, then keep watching this video and also subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button, and let's get started without any further ado. So there is no direct way that you can change your region or location on your TikTok, but there are a couple of settings that you can manage in order to see videos or TikTok from other regions. So to do that, you can tap on the profile icon on the bottom right and head over to the three lines on the top right. Tap on settings and privacy. Now if you scroll down, you'll find a section of language. You can tap on that. Here you can tap on preferred languages. Now what you need to do is select the languages that you want to see the TikTok of. Let's say I want to see TikToks from Spain or Spanish speaking regions. I can simply toggle on this Espanol option. Similarly, you can also do the same. If you want to see any other TikToks from different countries or regions, you can select their languages. This way, TikToks of those regions will start to show up on your feed. Now if you head back, the other thing you can do is tap on content preferences and tap on filter video keywords. Tap on add keyword, and now let's suppose a particular keyword or a particular challenge or a particular video is trending in a country. You can simply type in the keyword. It could be any keyword such as any particular challenge that is being popular on TikTok or a particular filter that is popular. You can type anything in and you can tap the for you option. After that, you can tap on save. Now this way TikTok starts to show those videos which include those keywords. So those are the two things that you can do to change your TikTok region or location on your phone. So if you guys found this video helpful, do subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back soon with more interesting content similar to this.